Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting in the all-new 2025 GMC Terrain Elevation. In this video, we're actually going to hop outside of it, and I'm going to show you the new hands-free liftgate function that they've provided for us. But first, I'm going to show you inside of the infotainment screen to make sure it's on and to make sure you have it. So it's
of course, it is a standard feature on the new 2025 Terrain. But one key feature I noticed was if the button's shaped like this, it's been an option so that you have the new AutoSense hands-free liftgate. First off, you're going to go into settings. Then we're going to go down to, or slightly down to vehicle. And then we're going to scroll down to comfort and convenience, I should say. And then hands-free exterior storage access. Make sure that is on the open only. It's not an option to close it, which when I show you, it'll make sense. But we're going to hop out. You can keep the vehicle started to make sure it resets itself between each time you do it. Do make sure you've opened and closed the door. Now I'm going to pull out the key fob, show it to you right here, and I'm going to stand at the back of the vehicle. It flashes the light a couple times, and then it opens. So that's your AutoSense. Instead of having, the kick thing, all you have to do is walk up to the back with the key fob as long as that feature is on. Now to close it, we just close it right here. I'm going to show it to you one more time. Once again, key fob in hand. Going to wait till it closes. Open the door and close it. Now, it works the same if the vehicle is off. We come back to the back as long as you're within 3 feet. And then it does it. Once again, key fob's fully in sight. I'm going to show you one more thing just to show you that it does not work if you don't close or open and close the door. So I'm going to close it, keeping, once again, the key fob right here. And to show you, no one else is in the vehicle. Completely empty, just to show you. Completely empty in the vehicle. Now that I've opened this door, it's going to do it. So I just stand back here. It does it. But here, actually I stepped away, so I'll show you that as well. You've got it going. Once again, let me close it. Close it up. I'm going to step away. Now, either A, you have to wait 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, or B, open and close the door. So I'm going to walk up, and it's not going to do it. We're just going to sit here just like this, awkwardly standing. Now, let me go ahead and open the door, close the door just to reset it, or it does it after 15 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and walk up. Now, you decide you don't want to open it, you just walk away. Once again, walk up, decide to go away. And you just have to be within 3 feet of the vehicle, 3 to 5 feet. Well, more 3. Doesn't matter how many ticks, as long as you do it right before it decides to do it. Like even at that last one, you step away and it's done. Now we stand here. After that, 4th tick, there you go, and it's still going to flash it for you. Hopefully that's helpful. I know I showed you a little bit more in depth on it, but it's actually pretty cool how the thing works, and I want to make sure you know all the quirks and kinks that are in it.
Now, it is extremely freezing out there, but I hope y'all enjoyed that. I had to hop back inside, but the new hands-free is millions of times better than the old kick feature. However, when I had my Terrain AT4, I really enjoyed having that as an option, but this new completely hands-free and feet-free, as long as you don't count walking up to it, making sure you have your balance works. This thing is phenomenal. I hope y'all are enjoying it just as much as I am. Makes things so much easier when I'm demonstrating it as well. And your hands are full with groceries. You're not trying to balance yourself to open your liftgate. Other than that, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Just make sure the key fob's within 3 feet of the vehicle. I'll see y'all very, very soon.